Well, we've got the truck back from ARB, and needless to say, it looks a little bit different. Now, Adam and Sophie and the team at ARB are extremely knowledgeable and really helpful guys, and they've given us great advice for the right equipment that we need to take on this expedition. So we've had fitted left and right front recovery points, A-bar. Now these are the latest 𝗘cie IQ lights. They've got 8 different settings. Now I'm not going to turn them on now, we're going to do that while we're out on the road. We've got the ARB base rack on the roof and one on the canopy. And on the rear canopy there, you can see we've got the side awning. Now the great thing about the ARB base rack is it's a modular system. So we've also got in here recovery track boards, and we've got the high level farm jack. Now this is the ARB Ascent canopy. The good thing about this one is it's load bearing, so we can have the rooftop tent on top. We've got gull wing side doors. Now I'm known for anything under 10 degrees I wear thermals for. Anything under 5 degrees, it's just a risk for life. Now we've got the Esperance rooftop tent, and yes, we're going to camp out in the snow and ice. So in addition to the rooftop tent, we've also got a single ARB sky dome and the stretcher bed. And also we've been kitted out with, we've got a tyre deflation kit. And in here we have a tyre inflation kit. So we mentioned earlier that tyre pressures were critical for traction, so we're going to need to be able to reduce our tyre pressures down and up while we're out on the road. We've also fitted the ARB bed drawer system. Slide out drawers for all the kit. And on this side, we have a kitchen. This is a really compact way to get all the creature comforts of home out on the road. So that's us fully kitted out for the expedition. Thanks again to the team at ARB for all their help and advice. Now, if you want any information or any advice on any of the equipment we're taking, just get in touch.